How many of you remember what Asari Dokubo said just a few weeks ago?
I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down.
About 1 week ago or thereabout, you all saw the video of Asari Dokubo when he threatened to shoot down the military helicopter hovering around his place, and he alleged that during the local government election that took place in Rivers State that day, maybe Wike sent his boys who are military to embarrass him and so on and so forth. So that is by the way, but the sad story, coming out from Port Harcourt today is that they shot down the military helicopter. But, some news reports are framing it to be that it crashed. So, and a lot of people really died and some persons injured. And some persons, I think a few persons were rescued according to the report in the Reverend area there. But what baffles me is that, anyway, let's wait for the report from the Aviation Ministry. When Aviation Ministry will give their own report, after investigation, we'll come to analyze what really happened. This is from Shara Reporters and it reads, breaking, Nigerian Aviation Ministry helicopter crashes near Port Harcourt, 3 confirmed dead. The article was written October 24, 2024. And here is the details. The Nigerian Federal Ministry of Aviation and Aerospace Development has confirmed a tragic helicopter accident that occurred on Thursday, 24th October 2024. The Seco Sky SK-76 with registration number 5NBQG was operated by East Wing Aviation and crashed into the waters near Bonny Finima in the Atlantic Ocean at around 11:22 a.m. According to the ministry, in a statement obtained by Shara Reporters, signed by the ministry's head press and public relations, Odutayo Oluseyin, the helicopter, which was en route from Port Harcourt military base to NUIMATAN oil rig, had 8 persons on board. The Nigerian Safety Investigation Bureau has been notified and emergency response team were immediately activated, stated the ministry. The Honorable Minister of Aviation Festus Kayamo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, confirmed that search and rescue operations are currently ongoing. The Nigerian Search and Rescue Unit, the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, the National Safety Investigation Bureau, and other relevant agencies are actively involved, he added. Despite the absence of an emergency locator, transmitter, signal, efforts are being made to manually plot the crash location. All available resources, including the military and low-flying aircraft, have been deployed to assist in locating and rescuing any survivors, the minister explained. So far, 3 bodies have been recovered, and the search for potential survivors continues. The ministry confirmed that the neighboring aerodromes have been alerted to provide further support in the ongoing rescue mission. The Honorable Minister of Aviation is actively working with all relevant agencies to ensure a coordinated response and to minimize casualties from this unfortunate incident, the statement continued. Kayamo, however, expressed condolences to the families of those on board. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of those on board, and we are committed to providing the necessary support during this difficult time. The statement reads, the Ministry of Aviation has received the distressing report of a helicopter accident that occurred today, 24 October 2024, at about 11:22 a.m. along the waterways in Port Harcourt. The helicopter, a Seco Sky SK-76 with the registration number 5NBQG and operated by East Wing Aviation, was en route from Port Harcourt military base to the NUIMATAN oil rig. The aircraft with the 8 persons on board ditched into the waters near Bonny Finima in the Atlantic Ocean. The Nigerian Safety Investigation Bureau has been notified and the emergency response team were immediately activated. So that is just trying to repeat what the minister said. Now, let us think about what really happened. If, normally airplane, helicopters, they do crash from across the country. So it's not a new thing that a helicopter is crashing. But let it, we live in a country where we don't do investigation. Look at, they don't even have the locator. When an airplane crash or helicopter crash, use something, transmitter locator to locate where it crashed. They don't have it in Nigeria. What a shame. That is just what this report just confirmed. And who knows whether the helicopter was shot down? Let us wait for the investigation to understand what really transpired. Because in Nigeria, all things are possible. In the north, there has been reports for the past few years about some aeroplane that was shot down, particularly the military aeroplane, the fighter jets. So who knows whether some elements must have shot this one down. But I doubt. I don't know. Let's wait for the investigation. Let it not be that I'm trying to impose my own, thoughts into what really transpired.
I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Our people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As we are talking,
with the video, I'm not going to bring the video. As I said, the video, that's the video.
weakest soldiers, weakest police, whoever, had been flying over my house and my compound in the last 30 minutes with 2 helicopter gunships. I have the capacity to contain them. Nigeria cannot surrender to Wike. Rivers people will not surrender to Wike. Ijaw people will not surrender to Wike. I have the capacity to contain them. And the government knows that I have the capacity to contain them. As I've been containing other people. Let them tell Wike to back off. I am 60 years old. I've never been afraid of death. I've always embraced death. I'd always embraced death. So I am not afraid of death. So all those who are there, when the helicopter is shot down, let nobody blame them. I didn't go and look for the helicopter to shoot them down. I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Enough is enough. That Tinubu will hand over Rivers State into slavery. The Wike. Wike is nobody. Without this panaflexion, it's nobody. Wike is nobody. Let them remove this thing from him now. I think he has billions. He knows the market. He has bought guns for his men. Let them remove this thing from him. And let us see. Go and vote. I will go and vote. I will vote and you see me vote. Nothing will happen. We vote. Result will be announced. Chairman will be sworn in. And we will see. Chairman will be sworn in. And we will see. I don't want to talk too much. We'll not talk too much. There's a military formation in this community. We did not look for their trouble. Your father Madu is a Mungu. You cowardly Igbos. Do you think I'm like you people? You will see the capacity working. They will do until we go and catch wicked with our hands. And then you see our capacity.